Alright, backtesting every day until we're profitable. Day 61 is where I left off yesterday, which is August. And if I can see now, August is now in the plus, but it was a pretty rough month to trade. So I I do have the data on it now for August, but I do want to see like maybe previous year with the model I have now in like 2022. What was August there like how was August trading back then? How's my model performing in August in 2022? And then maybe even do another one, so August 2021. So that's something that I can do after this. So I'm only testing on this account the back testing of the 2023 price action, and then after this I will probably do August, and then probably December as well, because I know that December and August are like the price action with the worst price action. So I kind of want to do them separate after this one, and then see if there's anything to add to it, like rules. And that would probably be like a rule, like let's say like a 1-to-1 TP, or something like a 1-to-2 TP, or if I'm really bullish still, the market is showing that it's really bullish, but we're just keep on pushing down like we're in now. I know that this August of 2023 we're just pushing way lower, but I'm still bullish. Let's say that happens in like a few years, like in 5 years, 2020, like 2028 or something like that. And then we're August then, and I'm still really bullish, but we keep on pushing down, and I just don't take a trade. I only take a trade when there's just a really clear drawn liquidity. We're pushing higher. Like that's something that could be a rule, but that's something I gotta backtest from previous years. So that's something I want to do after these, after this year is done. So yeah, just for that. But we are in August right now, and let's backtest that. So let's look at price action here. Where are we? So this is 9:30, 29 of August, which is a Tuesday. And we do have Jolt's opening, and this is a NFP week. So what am I saying? A major impact folder news week. And then we do have a 2-hour here. If nothing here. Also nothing here as inefficiencies wise, but I think I was still bullish in here. See, ES did tap that inefficiency. Now at NQ we don't have a singular one, but ES does tap that there. And then we have liquidity above this high here, which is buy side there, buy side here. And then we are also holding like here. I am really bullish, but we are holding this imbalance here. Like there could be a rule in the future to not trade this, but for now I'm just backtesting this. So yeah, we are pushing higher from here, but we are inside of this SIBI here. Let's see what we do here. So this would be the low hanging fruit there. I like the original consolidation as well. Price it up here. We are in this 1 hour, but we do have another busy there, so that's nothing here. Then in the 2 hour we have this price lag here, where we don't have any inefficiency, so I drag equilibrium on here. And then the same for ES probably. I think ES does have a singular FEG here, which is a 1 hour. Yeah, it is. So we do have a singular 1 hour here on ES, which we did tap, and then we do have equilibrium inside of here, which I need to see turtle soup there. Let's see what we have in price action here. Hopefully we can push lower before you go higher. We do have that 10 AM news. Let's see. Yeah, I do need to see at least that turtle soup. Okay, so we trade higher, and we did take out the buy side up here. So that has been taken, so no turtle soup inside of there. So now I just wait for the 10 AM opening. Our drawn liquidity is still higher, which is the buy side up there as first target. Is it actually? Yeah, that would be the first actual target again. That's a stage of accumulation inside of this market maker buy model. So that would also be a target. And we do have 10 AM Jolts job openings. Let's wait for that. Okay, so there it is. See, we have here. Nothing here, no inversion, no trade. We keep on pushing higher on ES. Still no entry. That's one buy side taken there, stage of accumulation. Keep on pushing higher, huge drop lower. But again, I would wait for much more structure. We did take equal lows on this. Do we have an inversion here? We do actually. Wow, that's a really small one. No entry here. I was waiting for the close above this, but this would be my break even, so that would be no trade here. Yeah, nothing here. Would wait here. We do have an SMT here. 2 minutes. Didn't close above it. 1, 2. Okay, we did close above it now. We're trending higher. We do have an SMT at this low, so that's also a trade. Closure above here. Stop at the second lowest candle. This is equal highs. That would be my break even. And then for yes, that would be at this high here. Market execution. First TP if it's side of 1 and 2. Or 1 and 4, sorry. 1 and 5, so 1 and 2 would be first TP. And let's see here. No break even here. Nice, that's a break even trade. 1 and 2 would be first TP. Let's see here. I think we're gonna get there. Nice, that's 75% off there. Full TP is gonna be at this high, or yes. Oh, yes, did take the high. So that's just gonna be full TP there, which is at exactly a 1 and 2. So that's nice. So I'm just gonna mark this out. 1 and 2 RR. Full TP. Look, yes. Extend this here. Top. Left. Nice. And we'll mark this out here as well. To just show that the drawn liquidity has been taken on the yes. Nice trade here. Copy image. Put the notion. What is this? Oh, there's something that didn't happen. A+ setups. So really nice trade here. Yeah, took a win on this. So I do get another chance of taking another trade, but only if the price action is clear, because I don't think I have a real clean drawn liquidity. But yeah, really nice reaction from here. So that would be the BISI. We wrecked off the low of the BISI there, and then really clean run here. So that's good. Let's look at this leg here. It's also a market maker buy model. Let's look at this. Should I take buy side on here? So NQ is leading because it's higher. Stage of accumulation. This would also be a stage of accumulation where there is where that would be a target. And here as well, and then there as well. And then the same target is for ES, that's here. And that's also here. Okay. So that's still a drawn liquidity. I did already take a win on this, so if my drawn liquidity is not really clear, then I'm just not even taking the trade. We do have a singular BISI here. Singular BISI here, which we didn't tap. It also isn't necessary for me to look for longs. Did inverse this as well, but that's lower than the BISI, so that really doesn't matter for me to put on there. Oh wait. Oh, I didn't even know I skipped the whole day. Oh, okay. Didn't even know I skipped the whole day, but let's see if there was like a setup. Maybe there was. Let's look back at the data here. Yeah, it probably was, but really doesn't matter. On that clean trade, I probably wouldn't have taken anything else. So here we do have like this low hanging fruit that would be here. Also here on yes. I would be looking for longs. We don't have anything inside of this leg here. Or well, we do on yes actually. We do have a singular 30-minute on yes here, which could be tapped in for it to go higher again. And then also on NQ actually. 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, so we do have a singular busy here on the 5 minute on NQ, which we are holding still. We did close back above it, so that could be a reclaim busy, but I do want to see us kind of trade lower. Take out this sell side liquidity before we go actually higher. Wednesday we have ADP, 8:15, but no other news. Let's see. Okay, so buy side liquidity was easily taken on this. I'd still be looking for longs until the buy side all the way there, and then for the NQ there. Let's see what we do. So we do trade lower. So that busy really isn't holding. And then that would be the, where is it? These clean swing lows as like the significant range of the target. So we have a singular busy here on the 5 minute, closing in this range. Where was it? On ES it was. So ES has this low here, which would be this low here on NQ, but we do have these equal lows. So that's like the lowest of this significant range here. So if we take those, then we can expect reaction higher again. Wait. But this would be a long setup, even though we didn't even take the lows. This would be a long setup. I'm probably thinking that this is going to be a loss, but that is a long setup. 2 minutes. I wasn't expecting for that to happen, but it did. Not really confident with this, but the setup is the setup, so I'm taking it. Do an SMT at the lows. And this could be like generated for later in time. We close above this again. Stop second lowest candle. This would be break even on NQ. And this would be break even on yes if we hit that. And that's right there. Or a 1-to-1 would be break even because that's beyond the 1-to-1. So that's break even. Market execution first TP would be inside of a 1-to-4, at least the 1 and 2, which is here. And let's see on this. Honestly, don't know. Okay, literally stopped out there right away. Oh. Okay, maybe the draw on query was correct. See if you do want to push higher. Okay, so that's something that I did get stop rated on this. Is this valid? That closed above. This is the sweep. Yeah, my stop should have been, oh yeah, here. Yeah, so I would say that's really unfortunate. Was there another entry? 2 minutes, 1 minute. Yeah, that wouldn't have been nothing here, so that would be a really unfortunate trade. But yeah, it is my setup, so really unfortunate, but that's just one of the losses which are part of the model. Can't be 100% win rate model, fortunately. That's just part of the model, part of trading. Put it in here. Paste it in here. Yeah, but draw on liquidity was correct. That's something positive. Really unfortunate that I couldn't be in this. So 1 loss on the day. I can take 1 more loss or 1 win, and then it's done for the day. Let's see. Yeah, this would be a stage of accumulation which we have taken now, which was the same one ES here. And then this is still the draw on liquidity up there. So I can still look for longs, and yeah, nice reaction from there. Yeah, the setup does need to form again. We do have equal lows on this. We take those, trade all the way lower. Do have a singular 5 minute here that we are holding. But just looking at the structure now, let's see. And drop all the way lower, and we do take these equal lows now. That's crazy. So we do take these equal lows here, and I'll probably wait for a lot more structure here. Still are respecting the singular, what is it? 30 minute on yes. Low hanging fruit could be up there. And let's see here. Still need to wait for my setup. We do go lower. Didn't take those equal lows yet. We now do, but there's no inversion, so no trade. Would wait still. Still would wait. It's almost outside my kill zone. And it's outside my kill zone. So we'll skip this, go to the PM session. We did go higher, taking out the low hanging fruit, but still the drawn liquidity is up there. So let's look at the leg here. There's a singular 5 minute here, which we can extend through. And have all these lows above the inefficiency. See on yes we have, so 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. Yes does have this 5 minute here. It's pretty high up in premium, so I probably just extend this range here. Optimal trade entry from here. Let's see if you want to react off of some level here. But yeah, I'm expecting for it to trade lower here, 13.15 or 13.30 manipulation. And this is going to be my low hanging fruit again, because I'm still bullish. So let's see on this. Again, all these lows here. Wait, 13.15 trades lower. Okay, so this would have already been my setup. So if this is a loss, then that would be it for today. Otherwise, this, yeah, let's just see here. So we took equal lows on this. We did tap the BISI here on the, what was it, 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes on yes. We made an inversion here with closing above with this candle. Sweeping the equal low, stop low, second lowest candle. At least a 1 and 2 first TP. There's a 1 to 6, 7, so it would be a 1 and 2 first TP. And let's see, stop second lowest candle, let's see. And break even would be at this high, or these highs, which are equal. Or well, actually, these are all low resistance, so it would be a 1 to 1. There, that's the break even, or break even is here on yes. Let's see. And that's a stop. Yeah, I don't know why, but I was expecting that. Let's see what we do after. And pretty choppy, but I do think that we still want to take that today. But this is me being done for today there. Another break even or another loss. Let's remove all this and let's see. And do trade higher. Pretty much did nothing the entire day. Maybe something of August again. That's just something that price action is, or that's just the price action in August maybe. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out now, or trying to figure out. So we are holding this 1 hour. Wait, this is the day before NFP, so I'm not trading this. Next day, okay, the draw liquidity, we did take it. Oh. Now the next draw liquidity is going to be the highs up here. So this high has been taken again, which was a stage of accumulation. This would be the next target on yes, and this would be the next target on NQ. So I'm looking for longs until that target. Or then I would still be looking for longs, but that would just be a TP. See, we have in this leg here. Do a 5 minute, yeah. Singular 5 minute in this leg here. Have all these lows there as well. 4 minute, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. Okay, so ES has 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Okay, so ES has a singular 4 minute here. Let's see if we want to take those lows before we actually go higher. Low hanging fruit would be up there. And we do have 10 a.m. PMI news. Let's see. Okay, and we do have a singular SIBI here after taking these equal lows. Let's see if we want to close above. No, not yet. We want to take out data lows here and then actually go see what we would respect here. To do that, this leg here without any inefficiency. I do have an inefficiency there. But that would be from this leg to this leg. Equilibrium on here. Is this right? Do have an inefficiency here. That would be the singular one. But then I would mark out equilibrium. And then this is at least the target. And then yeah, we have equal lows on this as well. So that's probably going to be the target. Maybe have an SMT from there and then actually go higher. But we'll see. There's also like a trend line here. Maybe want to go even lower to this low here. But we'll see what market wants to show here. So 937. See, we take the lows. Tap equilibrium. See if we want to go to optimal trade entry. Okay, we did. So I don't need to see turtle soup. We take a low there. I think we took all the lows. Yeah, we definitely did. We went even lower. Trade it back into equilibrium. Also in this single FEG, I'm still gonna mark it out. Pretty close to it. That could be a place where I want to reverse off of. Still looking for longs. Nothing here. Trade lower. Still nothing here. Still in the right time. It's 10 a.m. It trades lower. 10 a.m. here as well. Let's see. Nothing here. Now we have all taken all these equal lows. Close above this with taking this low. Take one low on here. Didn't take this. Yeah, so no entry on this. Took one low. That's good that I didn't take anything there. Let's see, 2 minutes. Do a 2 minute here, but didn't close above it. Let's see if we still want to close above it. No, nothing here. Trade lower inside of that singular 1 hour here. It's almost outside my kill zone. Small reaction from there. Let's see if we want to stab lower, taking out all those lows and then actually go. This is outside my kill zone. I would skip this, go to the PM session. Not respecting this at all. Now taking the low of this significant range for that singular FEG. See if you have an SMT from there. I actually don't. See, and what we're holding inside of this leg here. Singular 1 hour here. Okay, so we do have this leg here. No inefficiencies, so I track optimal trade entry on here. Yes. 2 hour here. Dim and lower also this leg here. Low hanging fruit, I'm still bullish. Buy set up here. Still look for longs. Buy set up here. This is a 4 hour low. It is, so I at least need to see that 5 minute turtle soup, which we did get already. Get a nice reaction out of that. Have an SMT at the lows as well. See 13.15 or 13.30 needs to trade lower. Nothing yet. That's trading lower. Taking out equal lows. 2 minutes, singular one. Okay, nothing here yet. Yeah, this looks pretty bad for me. 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Okay, wait, this is an entry. Let's go back. So we do have taken, on the 4 minute, have taken this low and this low, taking equal lows. And then what we did is close above this here. That would be my entry. Stop second lowest candle off the sweep. Also have an SMT at the low. Break even would be at here on yes, and break even would be here on NQ, but it would be a 1-on-1 because it's outside of that 1-on-1. It was like a 1-22 R, so that would be break even there. Inversion here. Place order. Oh, place order. Risk there. Save. First EP would be at least a 1 or 2 target, which is going to be stage of accumulation is market maker buy model, so BI on the A104. Now let's look at this as original consolidation. Accumulation 1, accumulation 2, smart money reversal, low risk buy, maybe even here actually. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. This is stage of accumulation. That would be first EP, but it's on the 104, so it'd be 1 or 2 first EP. And let's see. It was a 4-minute trade. Still in the right time. Have no news. Yeah, okay, let's see here. So break even at the 1 to 1, which is here. Let's see. And that's a loss. Okay, so fortunate there. Copy image. Paste it in there. And probably would be no other trade this day here. Did I take two loss on this day? No, just one trade, but yeah, I don't think there's gonna be anything else here today. Was there anything? Again, I have to lag in here, but kind of create equal loads here as well. It doesn't look clear to me. Just skip this, and that's outside my kill zone anyway. Go to next week, which is Monday. So finally that's this Friday. We're now outside of the outside of August. Let's see. So August did was up 1% on the month, but still I really didn't like the price action. So if this year is done, if I did whole of 2023, I want to backtest August, probably 2022, August 2021, August 2020. Then get data out of there, see how the August months were there. And I probably do the same thing for December as well, because I know those months aren't the best price action for me personally. But yeah, September, it should get better. But yeah, let's do the analysis. Okay, let's see. Still have the buy set up there. Low hanging fruit, we also have it here. Okay, let's see. $30 minutes. We have a singular 30-minute here, which we aren't even in yet. And then ES, 30 minutes. Nothing on ES, but it's something I want to backtest as well, like for say FEG in here. So we do have one on the 2 hour here, which we did close above. Okay, we did use it as support here once. Okay, I'm gonna have this marked here because that's something I want to backtest. So use that as the inversion for us to trade into the buy set up here. That would be like a barrier. And let's see what we have in the bullish leg here. 30 minutes, 50 minutes. Do have 50 minute that we're holding, probably a 50 minute, yeah. So on ES we did close below this. And then the fractal leg, first initial swing low. That would be this low. Because this is swing low as well, yes, but this is all, wait actually. No, it should be this low. These aren't equal. And then on a Q, we have a BC here, which we also closed below, so I'd rather look for shorts here still. And then the first initial swing low would be here. A sell side, which is almost the same low as NQ, but these are equal. Oh, actually, they aren't equal. So this sell side here, sell side there. So I would look for shorts here. We do have all the buys set up here. We could maybe take like internal, which would be here, and then leave this, and then leave another high there, and then leave that as external for it to later come back to. But we'll just look at price action here. Monday, oh my god. Monday, a bank holiday. I'm not even trading this. What am I doing? Let's remove all this. Bank holiday, skipping that. Tuesday, no news, skipping that. Wednesday, have PMI. That's good. Okay, so the draw was correct. But yeah, I'm not trading on a bank holiday. Okay, so we're all the way lower now. Let's see where we are on this leg here. This will be the low-hanging fruit. No major impactful news this week. Nope. Okay, let's see where we are in charts. It was a singular 2-hour here. Which from the high swing high to the low swing low. But I have nothing on here, but still that would be like the forced FEG. But still we're below it, so I'll track optimal trade entry on here. And then yes, they take the low of that significant range, which is here. Which it is all the way lower now. So we're trading inside of a singular inefficiency, which is on the not a 12-hour, not on a daily. It's a singular 3-day one. So the significant price point or significant price points, the sensitive points in price are going to be the high, the constant encroachment, and the low. See if you get anything there. I would still be looking for longs, but this price actually looks pretty bad. But still, low hanging fruit. If I'm looking at this, that would be the highs up here, which are really clean highs. Let's see what we have in this leg here as well. So we do, no we don't. Okay, so we have this leg here with no inefficiency. ES looks lower. Maybe ES wants to take the low and then actually go. Let's see here. Hopefully we trade the lower here. We do have 10 AM PMI news. Let's see. ES does take the low there. And Q can also take the low, but probably won't be if we are bullish. Did I miss anything here? Taking out all these equal lows. Was it a 4-hour low? No, it wasn't. Okay, then I did miss something here. I would go back. Because this is the inversion. I think it's actually break even. Let's go back here. Oh, that's not break even. Okay, so going back here. We sweep the low off that significant range. ES does sweep it and Q doesn't have an SMT there. And then on this singular swing low, we took this low, we took this low, and took even more sell side here. All the lows here. So I'll just mark this out to here. Taking equal lows on there. Closure above the singular inversion here. Stop second lowest candle. Place order, save, break even is going to be at, this is beyond a 1-1 RR, so I'd go at a 1-1 break even. And then on ES, that would be also the highs up there, where it would be break even, but I think NQ will be faster, which I think it was. First B needs to be at least a 1 and 2. This would be original consolidation, consolidation 1, consolidation 2, smart money reversal. So this would be a stage of accumulation, which would be a TP if it's beyond a 1 to 4. So 1 to 2, so 1 to 4, 1 to 1.4 this is. So it would be at least a 1 to 2. And then full TP would be at the high. And that would be the runner. Let's see, 1 to 2 full TP, yeah, let's see here. So that's break even. That run to the 1 to 2, and that's a break even trade, and that did prevent me of getting fully stopped out, so that's good. Copy image, paste in here. Again, trade lower after taking these equal highs, but still I'm bullish. Let's take the low here now as well. Yes, trading all the way lower, and Q just at the 0.79 level off the optimal trade entry. Yeah, I would still be very, very bullish here. So let's see here. We do have equal highs up here as well. Let's see what we have with more structure. This is the 10 AM opening, which traded lower without an opening as well, which would be devil's mark there. Let's see. Let's see some more structure. Nothing here. Nothing. We do actually. We've created a swing low here, swing low there. We do have an inversion here. This would be the break even. Or no lap, but first need to close above it anyway. No closure above, we fully respect it to the tick. And that disrespected. Taking equal lows on this. That'll be entry, stop on the second lowest candle after the sweep, which is here. This is all low resistance. Probably looks like a really good trend line on a lower time frame. This is 1.36 RR. It's beyond the 1-1, so 1-1 break even. Or break even here. In the first P, it needs to be at least, what the hell? A 1 or 2. We have nothing in this leg here, so this would be first TP, which is beyond the 1 or 4, so it would be a 1 or 2 first TP. And let's see here. And then 1 or 1 would be break even. I don't know where it was. Not yet. A bit above there. I already took a loss on this, so one more loss and I'm done. Yep. And another loss. Here. Copy image. Oh no, that's a break even, no loss. So still take another trade. Take equal lows. Inversion here, so that would be another trade. Oh, equal lows. Break even at this high, which is 0.82 R. At the inversion here. Place order. First TP inside of 1 or 4. That would be first. Let's see. Oh my god. Equal lows here. I think this is the biggest losing streak. Skip this whole day, unable to identify draw liquidity. See what they do the rest of the day. Oh. Nothing. Let's look at the data. Alright. 1, 2, 3, break even, 4, 5. Nice. Let's go to next day. Thursday. Wow. Totally wrong liquidity, but still. We were holding the singular inefficiencies. We're still holding it. So I'm not calling tops in bullish trending markets. So we do have this range here still, which I don't expect for it to go back to these lows. Because we already tapped into the inefficiency, taking out liquidity there as well. And these are like equal lows, but that's something like, again, we did take internal, we leave external, and then I would still be looking for longs here. So let's draw this range here. We have nothing here, we draw the range here. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, those losses are gonna come this year, so yeah. Yeah, I would still be looking for longs, but this looks ultra bearish. But yeah, I have to wait for the news at least. Oh, which was 8:30 news. Maybe there must be like a rule if we're just trending like ultra in the opposite direction. Like I should at least wait for like an inefficiency, like another busy to be in, or optimal trade entry to be tapped. So after this day, I'm gonna look back at it and see what we have there. But I'm still be looking for longs then. So just looking at like trading normally. Take equal lows or don't take equal lows. I'd wait. Yeah, wouldn't be nothing here, so I'd wait. Trade lower. 10 AM opening is gonna be here. Here as well. So you take equal lows on this, 2 minutes. Do a singular, wait, did we take equal lows though? No, we didn't take equal low, or we did, okay. So let's see what this long setup is gonna be. You have the inversion here. Place order. We don't even have an SMT at the lows, but still setup form. But that's, yeah, that's something like I just said. Like if we were just trending like all the way lower. But it's just, but I would still be looking for long, so I'll be looking in the opposite direction. Then I at least need to see like we're holding an efficiency or holding the imbalance. Like you could say we're holding this 3 days still, like it didn't close below. Yeah, that is really subjective. I want to have it like as clear as possible, but still, let's see what we do here. So 1-on-1 would be break even or break even at the eye here on the S, as you see. Okay, that's a break even. That's a good thing. This would be first TP because it's beyond the 1-2, or it's inside of 1-2 till the 1-4. Let's see if it's first TP will be hit. Yeah. Oh, what? This price action is insane. Still didn't hit TP though. That's TP. 75% would go off here. And now look in this leg here for stage of accumulation for the second TP. This would be original consolidation, which is just a wick, but on the lower time frame would be an original consolidation. Let's just make it clear here. 2 hour, yeah. Okay, so what I see is this would be the original consolidation, and this is like the second stage of accumulation, and then this would be the second stage of accumulation, like actual second stage of accumulation here, or first stage accumulation, sorry, second stage, third, and then this would be where I would be leaving my second TP, which is a long way to go, but yeah, the rules are rules. If it's inside of 1-10, it is, so that would be first TP, or yes, it's this, and then it has at least to be a 1-2 on where I'm in the trade in. So let's see here. Gonna let this run, and stops at break even, so there's nothing to lose here. Already a W, so let's see. Or the market closes, of course. And almost market closing, or like end of my session, which is one more, and yeah, here 1510, 1508 to 1510. That will be full TP. So even though that was my drawn liquidity, which I'm gonna mark it out as my drawn liquidity, I think we're gonna get there in like overnight session, but I really don't care then. Draw on liquidity. What the hell is this? I think that's something for my graphics card. Draw on liquidity there, which never got hit, but this would be the 1508 to 1510, the candle closure, which would be a 3.78 TP or RR 1508 left. And then first TP was a 1-2. Let's just eyeball it, like what's somewhere here. 1-2 RR first TP, 75% off here. And where was the entry on? It was on a 1 minute, on a 2 minute. Okay, it was on a 2 minute. Like this structure looks terrible, but setup formed, setup performed, executed, and yeah, nice. So yeah. And then this was the Tron liquidity, which I need to have on my screenshot as well. 100% off there. And then how do I take this off? Oh, you guys don't even see it. So copy image. And that was a really nice trade. Hope all is well, bro. Love the backtesting sessions. Thank you, man. Thank you. How was this weekend for you, trading NQ futures? Had a great weekend? Nice recap, nice analysis for upcoming week. How was your weekend, man? Yeah, great trade here. I'll do a few more days and then I really have to go. It's really late here. I should be asleep like 2 hours ago. But yeah. Friday, no news, so skipping that. That was a really nice one. Would be a nice week there. Literally just one trade. Let's see, 5 losing streak it was, or with a break even in between. One trade. Literally one trade got me back at break even. One loss here, second loss here, third loss here, fourth loss here, or no, break even, fourth loss here, fifth loss here, and then break even, or now back at break even because of that win. But yeah, that was something just like August was painful. But yeah, this is getting better. This is September, 8th of September, which is the Friday, which I would skip to next day, which is Monday. No news there. Would skip that. Tron liquidity was correct. Look at that. Nice stage accumulation reaction there. Oh, wow. That's the contract switch, I think. Or it's just a new week. I really don't know. Maybe a contract switch, maybe a new week opening gap. And then, yeah, the Tron liquidity was taken there as well. Let's see the reaction, actually. What did we tap? We didn't even tap this. What were we holding? 12 hour. Oh, we were holding a 12 hour. Why didn't I even mark it out? It was swing low here. Yeah, that was the 12 hour. And then ES as well was also holding the 12 hour. Oh no, not 12 hour actually. Would be a 3-day. Yeah, we're still holding that 3-day. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like I was, even though it looked really bearish, maybe from here, like this huge drop, and this was like market open here, like huge drop here, and I was looking for longs. Like maybe it does look stupid, but I knew there was going to be a reversal of just the bigger time frame structure, even though we're all the way below the 3-day singular busy here, which was here. We were all the way below here on this candle. We closed below it even, but I just know that the direction was going to be here because of the bigger time frame narrative and structure as well. May looked really stupid to look for longs here, but it was the right thing again to do, so that's really cool to see again. And then we did take the low-hanging fruit there. Oh, great weekend. Looking forward to trading this week. Seems to be a pretty clean week. Yeah, yeah, for me it's like I know there was like a what? Let's see, this week. Yeah, I know for me this week, we have a bank holiday, so I'm not trading this day. I am trading the AM session only on this day. I'm trading not on this day. I'm trading AM and PM on this day, and I'm not trading this day. So for me, it's a pretty small week. But I hope the price action will be clean. How many watch hours do you have so far? Didn't realize how good streams were for watch hours. Watch hours? How many watch? What do you mean watch hours? Like how many people watched in total, or? I don't know what you mean with that. Let's see here. Okay, we're holding this 1 hour here. We do have this huge liquidity void here, which is crazy. I don't know if it's a contract switch or if it's actually new week opening gap, but that's really crazy. I think normally FX Prepay does account for the contract switches, or does keep in mind the contract switches, so you don't see it. So it's on like Bay AG ADJ, but then this must be opening weekly opening gap. Really don't know, but it's crazy. YouTube watch hour in your analytics. Let me see. Let's see. 1 hour 20 subs. That's crazy. Literally just watched this afternoon. And it was 1 hour 14. That's crazy. And that's not even the goal. Analytics. Your channel has this many views. Watch hours 280 hours, and it's 276 hours more than usual, it says. Which is crazy. That's in the last 30 days. This is actually pretty cool to see. That's really funny. I'm looking at the data now, sorry. Let's so trading lower, and then this is the first swing low of that significant range. I'd still be bullish. We do have all the equalize up here. That would be the low hanging fruit as well. Equalize here for yes. Let's see if we want to take the low and then actually go higher. Oh wait, we don't even have news on this. I'm not even trading this day. There. Wednesday have CPI. So it's definitely not. Oh wow, that's pretty good. Is it? I think the increase of 276 hours more than usual is pretty insane. That's just somehow I got on the somehow I got on people their home pages because of the algorithm. I don't know. Maybe YouTube likes the maybe YouTube likes consistency as well. Like I don't know what puts it, like I don't know how the algorithm works. Like does it look at the title of like it's day 50 or something, or does it I really don't know. I'm really curious how that works. I think that's pretty interesting how it works. Like how the YouTube algorithm work. Like maybe that's something why I like trading as well. Like I will never know how the algorithm works, but I'm just curious how it works. And then we do have this huge void here, which I'm gonna mark out of here actually. So the close to the opening. Wow, that's crazy. Tapped CE of that. Close to the opening. Didn't do anything there. But yeah, got a really nice reaction here on NQ. Low hanging fruit would be here. Let's see. Yeah, I saw that you were testing the stream as well, or testing streaming as well. Like that would be if I'm not streaming myself, if I'm not trading myself, if I'm just like chilling, I'm definitely gonna watch you as well. Like even though you don't really, I don't think you really trade the same, but of course I can get some things out of it. Like I could always learn from other people. First stage of accumulation would be here, so that would be a TP. But yeah, how did the streaming go? Price it up here. And I'll be looking for longs here. That reaction is so crazy there. Let's see here. So the CPI, there was CPI. There's 830 data wick as well. But yeah, let's see here. Still looking for longs, but the setup does need to form. Nothing here. Wait for 10 AM now, which is here. And then here as well. Let's see here. Taking equal lows on that. Nothing here. Would still wait. Went even lower. No inversion here. Would wait. Oh, this is crazy. 3 minute, 4 minute. We have a singular 4 minute here. Take equal lows on this as well. That is a trade. 4 minute on here. Taking equal lows on here. Same on NQ. We took equal lows on this as well. But to just mark it out pretty clean there. Why is this 50 minute? Okay, so that's the closure. Stop second lowest candle, which is really low. I know, but I want to have it working like a system. So this is break even at this high here, or break even at this here. First CP needs to be at least a 1 or 2, which is not this. So that would be a 1 or 2 first CP. And let's see. That's a break even. That's really good. Let's see if we want to go higher now. Nice, come on. And Wow, is this literally the price action of today? Ooh, I think this is gonna hit TP. Literally would be holding the entire day. Let's see here. Still didn't take it. Did take the buy side, yes. Probably be a outside of kill zone trade. Okay, that's a break even, I think. Yeah. Okay. So that's a break even trade. Very unfortunate, but they react beautifully off the buy side. But I at least take the 1 and 2. So that would be no trade for me there, or no trade for me. That would be a break even trade for me there. So yeah, let's mark it out. Copy image. Really unfortunate. Would be holding in the real-time market. I'll be holding this entire day to literally get stopped at the end at the end of the day. I'm gonna take like 2 more days and then stop the session. And go to, yeah, so we're gonna end this week here. Okay. I think that's literally the stop and then we went again. Okay. 2 hour, singular 2 hour. She did inverse. Oh, and ES already took the buy set up here as well. ES literally at all-time highs, or is it? No. This doesn't matter either. Yeah, next target would be here. Still looking for longs. This would be a low-hanging fruit. Let's see what we do here. Do these equal lows here. No inefficiency of this range. So this is that significant range with all these equal lows. Let's see. Do we have any efficiency here? 2 hour. Okay, wait. We do have this 2 hour here. This here. Nothing here. 2 hour. 2 hour here as well. Closed it in though. For the rest, we don't have anything in this range here. Oh wait, we do. 4 minutes. 3 minutes. 2 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay, we do have a singular 3 minute here. I don't think it's gonna hold though. Let's see. I want us to see trade lower. And now we don't have any other news at after 9:30. Let's see. Didn't take equal lows. Wait, we did on here. And then this would be the entry. Let's go back. 1 minute. Close above here. Break even would be at a 1 to 1 probably. Taking equal lows on this. Close second lowest candle. 1 to 1 would be break even. Let's see. Or here on yes. Straight back into the, what is it? The singular 2 hour. Yeah, let's see. And that's a stop. Copy image. Paste in here. One more trade and that would be done for the day. Or if it's a win or loss. Holding this 3 minute on ES. Not yet actually. Taking equal loads on this. Singular 2 hour here on NQ. And this is the range where we're in. Equilibrium here. Let's see. Wait for 10 AM, which is here. Here as well. It's here. Taking equal lows on there. No inversion. Taking equal lows here again. Didn't tap equilibrium yet, but we don't have to. That's a trade. Equal lows on this. Break even is going to be at this all low resistance. Do an inefficiency here. So we break even at this swing high, which is 0.56 RR, which is here on ES. Wait, no, it actually isn't. That's here on ES. Is it? Yeah, that is. Okay, and then first TP would be inside of 104. That would be first TP, and let's see. Break even at this, or break even at this on yes. Let's see. That's a break even. See your message, bro. Talk tomorrow. Nice, man. Alright, good. Yeah, it was a really long conversation that I had, but really, that's, yeah, crazy. Just crazy value again. And just of streaming on YouTube, someone fighting my video on YouTube, seeing that I, like seeing the work that I want to put in. And then from there, message me on Discord. And then, apparently from the same country as well. So that was funny. And then literally talking there, literally talk about the strategies, literally talk about the data, or talk about the experience. And then he gave me a Notion template as well, which I could put my data in and refine my strategy from in there. And just, wow, that was just crazy talk. And I really look forward to talk with you as well. Like literally the knowledge that I just got out of one conversation again, and then probably with you as well. Like literally talk about the charts, literally talk about our strategies, and with you, like you trade ICT as well. Like that would be, like that would be as much fun. 75% crazy trade on this actually. 2.27 RR. That would be first TP. Yeah, I really look forward to Oracle as well, man. Let's see what the next TP is gonna be. So next TP is gonna be all the way this high, because this high has already been taken. That's inside of way 1 to 10. So either that gets hit, or I'll be stopped at break even, or the market closes, or it gets hit on a yes. Let's see. So stops at break even. Let's see here. What time is this? Okay, still on the right time. Whoa, whoa. Saw that ES just skyrocketed. Still waiting, still holding. What time is this? Not yet. 15:05, 15:08 to 15:10 is where I close my full position, which is here. Which is, I think this is going to be top. Watch this reverse from here. Go lower. Okay, that wasn't really that bad. Sounds very positive, but I look forward to talking to your growing community too. Thank you, man. Good night, man. Good night. That would be 3.6 RR. Yeah, really look forward to it, man. And then 15:08, 3.61 RR. Top here. And then this would be the first CP, which was a 2.27. 75% off here. Yeah, great trade. Literally on a 1 minute again there. I think, yeah. Didn't even tap equilibrium. I will have that on this chart as well. I know it already, of course, but just beautiful again. Like we didn't tap equilibrium, but it isn't necessary. Yeah, I know that break even's there. Can I see that inversion from the screenshot? I think I can. Okay, so copy image. What day was this? Okay, only trading or need to backtest Friday, and then I'm ending it. I'll be having 6.5 hours of sleep again. But yeah, had to, that's my fault. Should have organized my time better this day. So yeah, great day that day, Friday. Let's see. So draw liquidity is still the buy setup there. Buy setup here as well. And buy setup here as well, which is the low hanging fruit. 2 hour. Do a singular. No, we don't. We have a singular 4 hour here, which we are below it, but then I could mark optimal trade entry on here. And on ES, we have a singular 4 hour on here as well, which we are below as well. And then have this here. I don't have to mark it out, like NQ already tapped optimal trade entry. Looks really bearish, but I'm still looking for longs here. We're about to close below in 29 minutes here. But then again, we have a really big wick here, which we did tap into. So I would look for this to be probably the low. But let's see. We do have 10 AM consumer sentiment. Take equal lows on this. We have a really clean CB there. Trade lower. Wow. Literally trading straight to this low here. Doing SMT there now. It is a 4 hour low, so at least need to see the 5-minute turtle soup. Yeah, we're doing SMT with that. But yeah, need to see the turtle soup on a 5-minute. Let's see. So now we'll wait for the 10 AM, which is here. Candle opening. Candle opening. 4 close below. Let's look on a 5 minutes after taking the low. Okay, so that was definitely already a turtle soup 5 minute, or turtle soup, like we took the low twice now. So this low and then this low I would consider as a turtle soup, or wouldn't have to be turtle soup yet, but now I can look for longs, and that's what I mean with it. So take equal lows on this candle. We do have a CB here, singular one. Wouldn't be a trade anymore because this would be where I would be breaking even, and ES already took it. No trade here. We do a CB here again. We'll trade all the way lower. Took equal lows on this. That is actually trade. Wow. Gonna try this. It is my setup, so that is a trade. Inverse this. Oh, not yet actually. Inverse this here. Stop second lowest candle. Take equal lows on this. Place order, market execution, and break even would be at that high, but ASP on a 1-1, so 1-1 break even. And let's first see that get hit. And that's a stop. Unfortunate. Yeah, again, what's my setup? Trending all the way lower, still inside of the wick here, which we did just tap. So yeah, still a great setup. Very fortunate. Copy image. That'll be in here. Paste it in here. Sorry, I took one loss for the day. Again, trading lower. This will be outside my kill zone. Skip this. This is the PM session, and let's see what we have in this leg here. So again, back at this. What is it? Liquidity void. And we do have liquidity inside of it, which we are probably trending towards too. Yeah, I would still be looking for longs, but yeah. Probably wouldn't get any reversal out of this because this is the Friday. Let's see here. That's a low taken, which is 4 hour low, so I at least need to see that 5 minute also before I can look for longs again. I don't think there's going to be anything from here. Here we did just take it. We do have all that lowers this liquidity. Not in here. Not in here, so no trade. Not in here. 2 minutes. Yeah, there's gonna be no trade here. That's outside my kill zone. Okay, so that is the end of the session. See where I ended it. Okay. Let's make a picture. Where did my phone charge? So yeah, again a 5 loss losing streak there. Oh wow, what? There. Yeah, pretty I'm up, but not that much. August, September, not really going that good. Around break even, but still plus. But yeah, price action not really that good. For me at least. Yeah. Let's look at a bit. Look at the data. Average RR. Max IDR. Crazy. Okay. Duration's about 30 minutes. Average winning streaks are just 2, max win streaks 4, max loss streak is 5. Losing streaks are, or losing trades are pretty fast. Average loss streak is around a 3. What is this 2? 3? Just like the losing streak. Don't know how this works. Yeah, law of the data. Buying. Win rates 20%, sell is 22. Total trades is buying more than selling, which is pretty obvious because this market is literally meant like to go up. Trades are most taken. Wait, what? Forms per hour. This chart shows you the winners per hour of the day. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so that'll be it for today. Best day is Thursday. That's pretty obvious. Okay. Yeah, that'll be it for today. Someone is still watching. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. I'm gonna end it here. Really have to get some sleep. And yeah. Good night. See you.